Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can uninstall apps, external apps you added, and integrate them into your Slack workspace if you, for example, don't want to use them. Removing unused apps can help keep your workspace organized, improve performance, and make it easier to find the apps you actually use. So let us dive right into it and show you how you can make that happen. So head over to your Slack workspace. And here on the left panel, guys, inside your workspace, you will see that list of all installed and integrated apps like Asana, Google Drive, the Slack bot, and so on and so forth. You can add, of course, more of them from the Slack library. Slack offers a wide range of apps for productivity, project management, and communication, but sometimes having too many can get confusing. But what if you'd like to get rid of these guys? Well, you can do that using the following method. So what you will need to do is click into your workspace here at the top or into that arrow down icon. And here in your workspace settings, click into or hover your mouse over Tools and Settings here. And here from the right panel, select Manage Apps. This is where you can control all apps installed in your workspace, see who installed them, and manage permissions for each app. After that, you will be redirected to the App Management Center inside your workspace. And here, you will see all installed apps and services you may use in your workspace. Now go through that list, guys, and simply click into these three dots next to the given app you don't want to use anymore. So let me, for the sake of the tutorial, uninstall this one here. Click into Uninstall. Confirm by clicking into Uninstall here. Confirm also by selecting this checkbox, and that's it. After that, the given application will be removed from your workspace. Keep in mind that uninstalling an app may remove any app-specific data from Slack, so make sure you've backed up any important information before removing it. And that's it. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel. If you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Slack tips, and leave a comment with any questions or suggestions for future videos.